Wow, it is coming good. But you should not eat so much of chocolate. Hi everyone, this is your outside and you are watching an innovative kids channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make an eclair slime. It is so edible that we can chew it and eat it. So let's go how to make the Eclairs chocolate slime. This is the Eclairs chocolate. I love Eclairs chocolate very much. How many of you like Eclairs chocolate? Comment below. I like so much. So let's get started. So I'm having lots of Eclairs chocolate. So let's make it the slime. So here I'm having 4 Eclairs chocolate. If we take more, it will come a big edible slime, like my mom was calling it. And this, let's add some water. Now let's soak it for only 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, let's take it out of the water. Now let's knead it like a gel. I can't. Since it is soaked, it is easy to mix. Key, fold, key, fold, key, fold, key, fold, key, fold, key, fold, key. Little bit it is coming now. So today we are going to add some flour. So today let's add some flour. Any flour you can take like wheat flour, corn flour or maida. Wow, it is coming now. You can add cocoa powder for the amazing flavor. Now my Eclairs chocolate slime is ready. I'm going to taste it and play it. It's yummy and delicious and chewy like a slime. Yummy. It's like a noodle.